Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag Dishwasher Wash Arm Cap. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new wash arm cap. The wash arm cap holds the lower wash arm on. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and the wash arm's falling off and the dishes aren't getting clean. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we have to take out the lower dish rack. We're just going to pull it out, lift it off, and set it aside. Now that we have the lower dish rack out, we have access to the wash arm cap. It's right here in the middle of the lower wash arm. All you have to do is unscrew it. If it's been on there a while and it's tight, you might need to grab a pliers and break it free. Once you have it free, all you have to do is unscrew it. Once you have it off the stud, you can pull it out of the dishwasher. Here's the old wash arm cap next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new wash arm cap on, all you have to do is get it started on the stud, tighten it down. Once you have the wash arm cap tightened down, the wash arm should still spin freely. Then we can put the lower dish rack back in. To put the lower dish rack back in, all you have to do is set it on the door and push it back into the dishwasher. Once you have it in, close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.